Mrs. Farber's friends. Today we're going to be reading a book called What's in That Egg? And I asked you to make some predictions, some thinking guesses about what could be in an egg. Do you think Norman could be in an egg? What do you think, Norman? Do you think you came from an egg? No, I didn't think so either. But what animals do come from eggs? Or insects, for that matter? Make a couple of predictions before you start to read this book with me. See if the predictions you made are right or wrong. It doesn't matter, because we're going to learn something anyway. So let's get to it. What's in that egg? He says, hello. A book about life cycles. What's in that egg? There's that question mark. That means that we're going to find out some information. We're going to find the answer to that. Hey, what's in that egg? Hello? Mom? I wonder what could be in that egg. Is it a turtle? Turtles are reptiles. Reptile eggs can be hard, but are sometimes soft and leathery. Some reptiles bury their eggs. A frog? Frogs are amphibians. Amphibian eggs are like jelly. Some are laid in strings and others in bunches. They need to stay wet and are laid in ponds or streams or even in leaves that hold water. Maybe it's a fish. Fish lay lots of eggs at a time. Most let their eggs scatter in the water. Some freshwater fish make nests underwater in the sand. I don't think I've ever seen a fish nest. I wonder what that would look like. Maybe it's a butterfly. A butterfly is an insect. Most insects are tiny. Insect eggs are teeny tiny and hidden. Wonder why they'd have to be hidden. Can you think of a reason why you'd want to hide your eggs? Or from whom you'd want to hide your eggs? Maybe it's a swan egg. A swan is a bird. Birds lay hard-shelled eggs in nests to keep them safe. One thing's for sure though, an egg seems so small, but there's a whole world inside. It's a home after all. Some babies live in eggs for only a few days, and some live there for months. There's the inside of an egg. There's the shell, the yellow part's the yolk, and the clear jelly-looking part's the albumin. Inside the egg, a baby floats. Albumin makes up most of the egg. It allows the growing baby to float and not get bumped around. See the little baby there? And then it grows bigger and bigger until it's almost too big. It grows in size while eating the yolk. The yolk is the food that the baby eats to make it big and strong. Getting bigger and stronger till suddenly, tap, tap, tap. Ready or not, that egg's going to hatch. Most baby animals tap open hard-shelled eggs. That's a lot of work. It takes a lot of time to tap, tap, tap. Eggs can be pink. These are apple snail eggs. Or green. This is a cassowary bird egg. Or blue. Robin's eggs are blue. Some eggs can be see-through. The sciencey word for that is transparent. It's like a window. You can see right through it. This is a glass frog egg. Can you tell why they called it a glass frog? Long and skinny, pointed or round. There's a snake egg, a quail egg. A quail's a type of bird. Or turtle eggs. They kind of look like ping pong balls. All different shapes of eggs can be found. Guillemot birds lay their eggs on narrow rock ledges. If the eggs were round, they might roll off the ledge. Their shape keeps them safe. See, if it rolls, it doesn't go very far, just in a circle. Ostrich eggs are the largest of all eggs. They can get as big as 7.5 inches tall. That's as big as this page. 7.5. Bigger than a cantaloupe. Or sometimes they're too small to see. Hummingbirds lay the smallest bird eggs. They are only about 1/2 inch long. Smaller than your fingernail. I wonder why ostrich eggs are so big and hummingbird eggs are so small. Think about how big an ostrich is compared to a hummingbird. Does that help you answer the question? There may be just one egg. This is an emperor penguin egg. He just has one. But some have 2,000 or 3,000. This is a clownfish egg. The eggs an animal lays at one time is called a clutch. So you can have a clutch of 1 or 2,000. A baby is born. Do you know what kind? The egg might tell what was growing inside. Is it hard? Is it soft and leathery? Is it buried? Is it underwater? Is it teeny tiny? Is it in a nest? Is it long and skinny? Where'd everybody go? Do you know what's in the egg? You can only see its head, but I bet you can figure it out. Happy birthday, alligator! Alligators are reptiles. Surprise! What took you so long? Hi! They have soft and leathery eggs, which they bury under leaves or sand. Zigzag through these ideas for more thoughts about life cycles. Where was your home when you were born? Cut open a hard-boiled egg. The white is the albumin, the yellow is the yolk. Shine a flashlight into an egg. You can see inside. Make a nest for yourself. Why don't all animals lay eggs? Why don't all eggs look the same? When you were a baby, what did you eat to get big and strong? If you had an egg, where would you put it to keep it safe? How do animals know when it's time to hatch? If you were a bird, what would you build your nest with to keep your eggs safe? Roll an egg across the floor and see which way it turns. If elephants lay eggs, how big would they be? That's a lot of good questions. Maybe you could find the answer to some of them. See ya later, alligator. I hope you enjoyed our book about eggs. Were your predictions right? Were some of the animals you thought came out of eggs? Were they in the book? I hope you had fun. Bye for now.